Okay, I'm with this 2001 Buick Lesabre 3.8 engine. I believe so I'm going to be replacing the PCM, which I believe is in this air box. So the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the negative cable. Okay, here's the battery under the back seat. This is an 8mm wrench, and loosen the negative cable. Out the way. So this airbox is really tight here. Somebody has already disconnected this, so I'm going to try and take these two 8mm off and see if I get to the PCM from here. Okay, this is the cover for the air filter. Took that off first. Then I can get to this, where the air filter element is. And here's the engine computer right here. So it takes these connectors here. Got to remove those like 8mm bolts that hold the connectors on. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, here are the connectors for the PCM. The blue one goes on top, white goes on the bottom. And the bolts in the back are a 7mm, not an 8. The PCM. It's like I have to take off the rest of this air box. Now to get the PCM out. Okay, there's a on this corner here it takes a T30 star socket to remove that skirt bolt, and then you just wiggle out the rest of the air box. And there's this tab here. Pushing the tab should free up the PCM. Allow me to remove it. Here's the new engine computer. It's going to be reversal of the installation procedure. Here's the air box. So just set it in here. Get it past this edge here. Because there's two tabs, one here and one over here in the side that hold it in place. Okay, I got it in position. These tabs here are holding it in, plus these two tabs here that you push out, those are holding it in place. So I just install this right here. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I have to cut the camera off. Okay, I got the front box with the engine computer in position in the car. I make make sure the seals are, those orange seals are in there. And install the 2 connectors. Connectors are held in with 7mm bolts. They take a 7mm socket to tighten those down. Okay, with the PCM connected and around it, I install this piece for the airbox. And last, this cover, it fits right here. Okay, I got the front air cover for the airbox on. Tighten down this clamp and tighten down these 2 8mm. These 2 bolts take 8mm to finish the box. So the ECU is installed, PCM. Now I'm going to connect the negative cable and see if I get readings.